Welcome to Remote Jobs Millionaire, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets to a life of financial freedom and flexibility. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming of a lavish lifestyle without sacrificing your precious time? Well, you've landed in the right place. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of remote jobs that not only make you rich but also offer rapid success and require minimal effort. From lucrative freelancing opportunities to innovative online businesses, we'll explore the endless possibilities that the digital era has to offer. Get ready to embark on a journey where you'll discover the most sought-after remote jobs that can transform your life, allowing you to work from anywhere in the world, on your own terms. So, if you're ready to break free from the constraints of a traditional job and embrace a life of abundance, hit that subscribe button, and let's start this exciting adventure together. Don't just dream big, live big with Remote Jobs Millionaire.